For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the KAMRUI Mini PC AK1 Plus. It's a tiny powerhouse that I wouldn't have thought would satisfy my gaming needs, but there's more to this device than meets the eye. Someone who's been following the mini PC trend, I was both excited and skeptical when I first laid eyes on the KAMRUI AK1 Plus. It's incredibly small, weighing in at just 2 pounds and measuring only 6 inches long, but don't let its size fool you, this thing packs a punch. And my initial thoughts were that it wouldn't be able to handle demanding tasks like gaming or video editing, but the specs suggest otherwise. Intel Core i3 to 1005 G1 processor, 8 GB DDR4 RAM, and a 256 GB NVMe SSD. But there's more to this device than just raw power. Let's dive in and explore what sets it apart from other mini PCs on the market. One of the standout features of the KAMRUI AK1 Plus is its affordability. Priced at around $300, it's significantly cheaper than many other mini PCs that offer similar specs. But how does it hold up against more expensive options? Let's take a closer look. In terms of design, the KAMRUI AK1 Plus has a sleek and minimalist aesthetic that will fit in seamlessly with any home office or living room setup. The compact size makes it perfect for small spaces, and the aluminum alloy construction feels solid and durable. But what about performance? Does the KAMRUI AK1 Plus live up to its promises? Let's put it through its paces and see how it handles some demanding tasks. In our testing, we ran a series of benchmarks, including 3D Mark Time Spy and Cinebench R20, and were impressed by the results. The KAMRUI AK1 Plus delivered scores that were on par with more expensive mini PCs, including the Acer Aspire TC895UA91 and the HP Pavilion gaming desktop. But what really caught our attention was its ability to handle 4K video playback and even some light gaming. But here's a twist: while the KAMRUI AK1 Plus is capable of handling demanding tasks, it's not without its limitations. The cooling system can get quite loud under heavy loads, and there have been some reports of overheating issues in the past. Therefore, if you're planning on using the KAMRUI AK1 Plus for extended periods of gaming or video editing, be sure to keep an eye on its temperature and consider investing in a third-party cooling solution. But for general office work or light gaming, it should be more than sufficient. What's the verdict? Is the KAMRUI Mini PC AK1 Plus worth the investment? We think so. For the price point, you're getting an impressive amount of power and flexibility. Just be aware of its limitations and plan accordingly. If you're in the market for a mini PC that won't break the bank, we highly recommend checking out the KAMRUI AK1 Plus. With its affordability, impressive specs, and sleek design, it's a great option for anyone looking to upgrade their home office or living room setup. For the best price, click the link in the description.